You are loved. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, very warm welcome to Xharianation. It's not real, and you don't exist. I got a new water bottle for my birthday. Also for my birthday, I got senior stickers. It is February. Entonces, tengo una nueva ipsy package. Lydia gave me this. How do he and I have the same birthday? I need an Orange High School Host Club poster. I don't have any wall space. I mean, I do. Anyways, okay. From the last ipsy unboxing, I used this lip oil thing plus blush. I use this very often. I got a highlighter and I use that a lot too. I used the face wash a couple times. 2 out of 5 I use pretty frequently. The other 2 I don't use at all, and then 1 I use when I remember that it exists, I guess. But I undid my hair and it took over 24 hours. Like, I started on a Thursday night and I got finished on the Saturday night. Buy yourself flowers. Wear a fragrance that makes you smile. It's like there's stuff on it. I'm scared. Okay, well, what the heck? And that, boy, I wonder if I can send this back. And then there's like some type of wax all over this. And this shows all of the products that I got. I was actually excited for this bag because it's pink and then it's all messed up. Like, there's a hole. Bro. Okay, I'm gonna go talk to my mom. So my mom told me to go onto the Ipsy app and go to like the help center. And so I found a thing like, what if my items are damaged or missing? And so I pressed that, and then it put me on with like a chat bot, and it was like, what's your problem? And I was like, items, damaged items. So I had to like get them out and like take a picture of them. So like I had to use this to like get the cream off the products themselves. The bag, there's rips and tears. That is nasty. There's a big hole in the back, and then obviously on the inside there's all this product. I hope they send me another bag. They said in 5 to 7 days I'll get the products, but I hope they send me another bag with it, since I sent them a picture that the bag was this cracked and all messed up. The curl cream is really cracked. I was actually excited about this one because I need lipstick. I almost didn't record myself unboxing this. I was like, I just want to get the products, but I was like, no, I want to make YouTube content. I'm glad that I recorded myself because I have proof ipsy. Even the package, like I'm throwing these away, obviously. On the back, there's this big hole. It's not really a Slay Queen girl boss. Only 2 products survived. This eyeliner, it's a pencil. This eyeshadow. You'll see the dots there. Is that something to worry about? Wing Me eyeshadow duo. I think these survived because they were like individually packed. This one had like a bubble wrap thing on it. This, it has like the plastic. Persimmon eyeliner pencil. I know I gave them my skin tone. I'm not too sure how. Oh, wait a minute. Boy, I think this is damaged. But there's like a crack running. Oh my gosh. There's a dent there. Just, welp. Okay. I'll be back. Guys, my anxiety can't take this kind of stuff, so. Because I was gonna let the dents on the outside go, because like, as long as I can use I can't even use the product. Okay, here's the pencil, the tip. Does it twist? Oh, it came off. But wait, what is this? Both sides are just yucky. Ipsy, what is this? It wouldn't let me go back to the little chatbot thingy. Because like I tried to, and it was like, we already have a help ticket for this order, but it like gave me like a confirmation email, and in the email it was like, if you have any updates, just reply to this thread. And so I did, and I was like, hey bro, actually the thing that I thought survived didn't. So there's only one survivor. So I'll just swatch this because I have eyeliner on. Wing Me Cosmetics Ambitious Eyeshadow Duo in Rose and Crushed. Smooth on these two plush pigments in a pretty berry plum shade and champagne pink shade. Berry plum, champagne pink. That blend together flawlessly and are ultra pigmented so that your eyes really pop. Tip, try the lighter shade as a gorgeous highlighter. Ultra pigmented, you say? We'll see about that, Ipsy. That's not giving me... I'm using pressure. Okay? Ipsy, you're so funny! I'm putting pressure. I mean, this is better. I have beef with Ipsy now. 4 out of 5 products plus the bag came extremely damaged. And the one product that wasn't is falsely advertised. I'm gonna cry. I really wanted that lipstick. I wasn't planning on using the curl cream because I don't trust that kind of stuff. Am I going into my hair routine? Okay. I shampooed my hair this Saturday. So I do it once a week when it's out, usually. I put my hair into 4 sections and then I shampoo each section because if I just shampoo it all together, it gets super tangled. And then after I shampooed, conditioned each section, like with the conditioner in, I put this cholesterol treatment on each section and detangled each section with a wide tooth comb and then put each 4th into 2 braids. And then I let that sit for 30 minutes. I rinsed it out and then I put each 8th into 16ths with the Garnier leave-in conditioner, the coconut oil, and the sulfur 8 thing, and then I used this like Denman brush type brush with water to fully detangle, and that was yesterday. It's Sunday. These are the results of the curls. I think it came out really nice. I might wear my hair like this tomorrow. It's a cute style. I'll just see you guys when the replacements come in. When I originally got that Ipsy package, it was very upsetting. March 13th, the accommodation package came. I already opened it and used some of the stuff. Not everything was an exact replacement, but this bag is still cute and giving love in February. This was an exact replacement, the Strictly Curls Curl Envy Cream. It came with this eyeliner, Black Magic Cocoa Edit liquid eyeliner, and I think it's brown. I don't know if it'll show up on my skin. Just Clinique lotion. I have a bunch of like mini lotion I've just kind of gathered. I like have them in my purses so that I can just like go with them if I ever need them, because I hate to be out with like chapped lips or dry hands. It irks me so much. This lip stick, it was completely shattered in the original package. I've actually used it quite a bit with this a lip liner that I got from Target. And then this is the March bag. It was based off of a Greek goddess because March, it's Women's History Month. The one I chose is this setting spray because I have a powder, a translucent powder that I got from Sephora, but I wanted to try a spray because sometimes the powder works and sometimes it doesn't. It worked on Monday and I just used concealer. Wednesday, I just used concealer again and put the powder on, but concealer transferred from my hands to everywhere, like it got in my sketchbook and stuff. This Pore Perfect Detoxifying Mud Mask, I've used this twice. It makes my skin feel soft and it has like a cooling effect. Pear Nova Lunar Lip Stylo in the shade Rocket Ship. It Lash Blowout, Kinship Bright Wave, Energizing Brightening Eye Cream. So I do have eye bags, so I've been trying to use it, but I don't know if it's doing anything. It does make my eyes sting a little bit, so I already did my skincare, so I'm just gonna put some of the eye cream on. I just get a little bit, and then it says to like dab on the eyes, and it can be used in either day or night. So the next, I guess I'll go with this eyeshadow with this shade. I like using eyeshadows like highlighter, so next I will try this eyeliner. First I'm going to swatch it on my hand just to see what the color looks like. It is brown. I'm not sure. Close up though, the shimmer is very like ethereal. It's like pretty. Like I really like the shimmer. I just did a small wing on each eye. Let's give a round of applause to this eyeliner. I've never been able to use one of these like felt tip liquid eyeliner thingies and get a good both eyes. Ipsy redeemed itself a little bit with this. I'll go in with this mascara. This mascara is definitely voluminizing. I like how it makes my eyelashes look, and you can go with both eyes on top and bottom lashes with just like one, like taking it out. So next I'm gonna go in with this lip liner. Came out of the thing. So it's like a screw out pencil type thing. This looks like kind of the same shade as it might be even lighter, and it's kind of scary because this is already too light on its own. And like I put my skin tone on Ipsy, so okay. I'm not a professional makeup artist, so I could definitely be putting this on wrong. I actually kind of like the color though, but I don't know if it really shows up on my top lip. Maybe that was satisfactory. Now we're gonna go over with this and see if it does anything. So okay, it is lighter than it's like a whole different shade. It adds more of like a red tone, and I just have chapstick on. See, I don't know about the lipstick. I don't know.
No.
I don't know if I should have trusted the ring light that much. I'm gonna blend out this eyeshadow mess. Eyeshadow is blended. I just use my fingers again. You can see the eyeliner and then the lips. I think the problem may be it's cooler tones, I think. I'm wearing cooler tones too. I'm definitely more of a warm toned person. I'm gonna try to add the lip liner that I was talking about from earlier and see if that makes any difference. Okay, so I just went over with this like brown mauve-ish lip liner from ColourPop, and I just like blended it in. I think that helped to just lift my face. I'm gonna go in with this putty blush from e.l.f. in the shade Caribbean. Blush is definitely my best friend. I use my Glossy Boy Brow in black and strawberry oil lip gloss that I think I got from like Ross or Marshall's. Ipsy definitely improved with the eyeliner was really good, the mascara was good, and the lip mask was good too. And the lip liner, I might wear it on its own with like lip gloss rather than with that particular lipstick, just because the color, I feel like I definitely look better in the mirror than like the front camera. I don't know why. I look better in person too. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and coming with me on this little journey of Ipsy screwing up and redeeming themselves and trying on makeup and stuff. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment under this video, share this video, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!